Hello, hello, hello. On to the next. This is the day the Lord has made. I am rejoicing and I am so glad that I'm back finally with a dry cleaning haul. Those of you who follow me know that I was gifted. I mentioned it. Did I show them? I don't think I showed them. I was just going to show you me in them. I think I did take some pictures of some looks on me in some of them. But I was gifted a whole bunch of men blazers, and you know, if you are into fashion, men's blazers are in right now. The oversized blazers are in right now. Sierra did one at the awards. Some people didn't like it for the red carpet, but she was on fire. She slammed. She was lit in her baby blue or royal blue oversized blazer and her slacks. She really looked nice. So I finally ordered what I'm about to show you guys on Amazon, because like I said, if I'm gifted something, I'm not going to spend money getting it dry cleaned, and you guys know the dry cleaners will eat your mouth out. So I tried two different ones because when I went online, neither of them was that expensive. Don't know if I said it, but this is Annette with Thrifty Wear by Nette, where I make clothes, revamp clothes that you don't want to wear anymore into clothes that you can't wait to wear. That's what I do. And I've been told that I'm pretty good at it. So if you live in Akron, Ohio, but then you know what? I talked to someone who doesn't live in the state. She was really feeling one of my circle skirts, and I told her we can get her measurements together. You can send it to me, and you guys can send me something that you may be something old and you're not feeling it anymore, and I will turn it around and revamp it and make it into something that you can't wait to wear. Do my best. Alright, so let's get into this. Alright, so again, Amazon. And the first thing that I saw was Woolite. Now this this one doesn't have a bag. And what I like about this one is, I think it was like $9 and something. I will put the correct pricing below. And it gives you 6 cloths. This is what they look like. And what I like about this is you can take, I think you can do up to 5 pieces. Yes, up to five garments per cloth. They're like baby wipes. So you can do up to 5 pieces of clothing with one of these wipes. And all you do is just stick it in the dryer and let it do its thing. It cleans one load. You get a fresh scent. It smells like it was at the cleaners for 20 minutes. It also comes with, no, this one didn't have a spot cleaner, but you can spot clean it, put one of these in the dryer. I also did a video on that, so if I haven't posted it yet, I don't think I have, because I'm trying to do better. So I think I'm getting all these ready. I'm going to edit them at the same time, and then I'm going to post them every couple of days. So you put this in the dryer with your garments for 20 minutes, take it out, they're fresh, clean, and ready to go. So if you want to do something where you don't need a bag, Woolite is your answer. And honestly, I liked it. Like I said, they came out feeling like they were at the cleaners, smelling like they were at the cleaners, and I really and honestly have no complaints. So I got this again from Amazon.com. I will post it below. You can try it out. Now the second one I tried was Dryel, and it came with I want to say 8 wipes, and they're also like baby wipes. And the only difference with this and the Woolite is, which I think I would favor the Woolite, is it comes with this bag, and you put your items in this bag. But the bad thing about it is, see the line? You can't feel it past that. So you see how big this bag is. And I was only able to put 2 blazers in it. So, I mean, that's not really a lot. Maybe you get more blouses. I don't know. Slacks. I don't know. But you can't get that much in it. But the other good thing about this is it comes with this odor and wrinkle bottle. All right, well, we've taken them out. It said 15 to 30 minutes, and I only put 2 jackets in, so feels better. Let's see how this one looks. It's warm. You want to take it right out and hang it up so that you don't get any wrinkles. And this one came out of the top one. I got one in here and one in there. You can use that one if you want it. And this one feels better. Nice scent, like you took it to the cleaners. All right, this one was in the bag, you guys, so I'm impressed. So we're going to see how the other one does. Now this one was Dryel, and I put it in it stayed in for 34 minutes, and I'm impressed. Now you have to have a bag with Dryel, and it comes with these little, they look like wipes, but they're a nice size. So I also got some extras. I probably should have waited to see if I liked it or not, but I got a box of extra, and I think 10 came in the other box. I got it from Amazon. It was under $10 if I'm not mistaken. I'll check the correct price and I'll put it down below on my page. But so far, thumbs up for Dryel. I'll be back. Alright, well, this is the jacket, one of them that was in the Woolite, that I used the Woolite on. And this, you don't need a bag. Same thing, it came out, feels different, smells good. And you have this spray that I'm using on both of them. If it comes out with some wrinkles, you just spray it. I guess push the wrinkles or smooth the wrinkles out with your hand. Toss them back in the dryer for 1 or 2 minutes, and then take them out and hang them. So we're going to give this a try. Even on the ones that I thrift and I have to pay for, because again, the idea is to thrift for less. We are revamping our old clothes to make them bigger and better. Runway ready. And so far, I'm giving it a thumbs up. If you've had any experiences, hey, in my comments section, let me know how you feel. Again, this is Annette with ripthewear.com, Rip the Wear by Nette, Facebook, Annette Copes. Please like, share, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the red button and the bell, and every time I post something, you'll be notified. All right, you guys, thank you so much for your support. Happy holidays. Happy Turkey Day. I will talk to you soon.